Happy Valentine's, honey! Look at this! May welcome drink and then may seafood platter agad. Tapos may live band pa. So nice, right? Ang ganda dito. This is Brasserie 3. Happy Valentine's! Why are you like that? Gruyere. Parma ham. Beef salami. Emmental. Cold cuts. Russian potato salad, tomato mango cucumber salad, ensaladang ampalaya. And then you have the salad. You have the salad dressings here. Mix it there. He's happy with the jalapeno. No,
Pickled pepper.
the pickled onion masarap. Maanghang onte, gruyere. Yummy. Lechong kawali. Tender. Prime rib. Will you try their sashimi? Itadakimasu. Sobrang linamnam ng sashimi nila. And then, tuna. Sarap na sa amin nila. Masarap. Fresh. This is lamb pala. Let's try it.
That malambot.
Yeah. Honey wants miso soup.
Make a new miso soup. Too late now. With lots of this. Three.
Ako lang yung nag-aantay. Siya yung tagagawa always. Ako lang yung taga-kain. Sabi ni James kanina, gusto niya ng bulalo. Let's get bulalo. We have laksa. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Ngayon lang may laksa sa buffet, guys. I think. Sa mga buffet namin. Sarap. Tofu. Let's try the bulalo. Look at the taba. Masarap yung bulalo. Masarap. Yung laksa nila malasa. Ito lang yung buffet so far na napuntahan namin na may laksa. Sarap talaga ng sashimi. Pinaramihan ko na para hindi ako napapagod kung bumalik. Tuna. The tuna is okay. Let's taste their seafood, guys. Kawawa naman yung oyster. Ang liit. May suka. Ano ito? Strawberry cheesecake. Ay, hindi. May blueberry rin eh. Masarap yung
bagong lagay.
Kanina parang medyo lumalo. Lechon belly roll. This is roasted leg of lamb. This is fish with salsa mango, mashed potato, corn on cob, and then roasted prime rib. Ta-da! Fresh Israeli hydroponics, Philippine superior quality. So they get their veggies there. Let's get salad. Ay, wala na! Cheese. Carbonara, this one. Tapos, mushroom, lahat ng meat, saka cheese. Thank you!
One more.
Thank you.
Rigatoni.
Got pasta bread pa.
Ito lang din ang hotel na may rigatoni. Ayun. Yung malaki pa.
White chocolate mousse with mango jelly, vanilla raspberry, panna cotta. Ay, ubus na. Chocolate intensity cake, raspberry tiramisu, raspberry mousse dough. Wala na yan. Yan yung kanina. Yung tinikman natin. Sabi ko na nga ba, kukuha na naman si James ng dessert agad. I know you'll get agad. Sabi ko, kukuha tayo ng dessert. 2 to 1.
Flames na bago. Ayan o, sea salt.
Sea salt caramel, ewan. Grapefruit sorbet. Sea salt caramel. Rocky Road vanilla cheesecake. Hala, ang sarap! May white chocolate chips, favorite. This is mango yata. You have chocolate, nuts. Pasta naman. Carbonara and shrimp. Ang daming cheese. Sarap. Nagustuhan ko to. Yung ice cream nila masarap rin. But they don't have plain. That's with cheese.
Wala lang plain. Okay lang.
Try. Ang laki. And then the clams. You want tahong? Yeah.
So, ako eh.
Pop. Fresh. They have dried figs, walnut brownies, mocha brownies, fruits kanina. This is fish biryani, mushroom soup, hot and sour. Yan rin yung kaninang laksa. Dessert. Yan. Got the big heart sa cake. Coffee! Puro raspberry. Sarap nito. Raspberry cheesecake. Mousse. Banana caramel. Crap. Kaya parang ang boring. Matamis sobra.